Hello and welcome to IGCSE Sudarshan Studio, and this is your host and teacher Sudarshan. By the way, today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Biology Paper 1 MCQ for the core students. Now, let's see, this paper code is 0610 and /12 variant. Today we are going to check with Feb March series 2023 paper. Now please remember, you are going to solve 45 MCQs within 45 minutes. But sorry, there is a change here. Do try to solve it in within 40 minutes. 40 MCQs within 40 minutes, and the extra 5 minutes that is left over now with you, right? That you have to use for checking the answer sheet. Please check that you have bubbled all the questions and over the OMR sheet, and use only the soft pencil and clean eraser, right? IGCSE do recommend for HB kind or type B type of pencil. Use a proper soft eraser. Don't use whitener. Please don't use it. Okay, right. Wherever you need a calculator, you can use that. So that was a simple bit of instructions before you go to your examination, right? Now let's check the first question. The first question comes from characteristics of living organisms. So this is chapter 1 question, and you have 1 marks here. Now, which row shows substance removed by excretion? There is an excretion word, and then there is a word called as egestion. Egestion you already studied in animal nutrition, right? A waste material which is removed out of the body, but remember that waste material is actually an undigested food, a fecal matter. That is called an egestion part. But when they are asking about excretion, something which is built up in our body which is toxic is also nature, first thing, and also they are metabolic waste. So which two things are very important here? One, they are metabolic waste excreted. Second, they are excessive amount toxic in nature and have to be removed. So out of these four options, the C option is more relevant here, because as you can see, a tick mark for yes. Undigested food and egestion part, so this is a no here. Waste product of metabolism, yes. So that's the C is the correct answer for this. Moving to question number 2, again this is belong to chapter 1, right? Two parts, which two parts are included in the scientific name of an organism within a scientific name? So let's see. Remember this KFC of Gaikwad Sudarshan, right? So that we have here KFC of GC, if you are very much fond of KFC food. So this is very easy to remember, right? So first thing is kingdom. I know you have only 1 minute, you don't have much time, but I'm giving you a proper explanation. If there is a set of question coming in a sequence, like what comes before class, what comes after family, okay, or after the genus, before genus. So this sequence will help you to remember any type of questions related to this scientific names. So kingdom, then we have phylum. Okay, now this is P, not F. Why? Remember this F, I just need to make it. To just remember, I have just made that KFC. F can be joined to form as a P. And the next one is the class. So KFC, that is phylum and class. Order, family. Done with this. Then we have genus and species. In a scientific name, you have these two very important things. The first one is always in a capital letter. Genus is always in a capital. Species is in italic form in a small lowercase, right? So this one is an option. Do we see that? No. King, group and kingdom cannot be. Kingdom and species, no. Where is the option? So the correct answer is going to genus and species, right? So two questions from chapter 1. Now let's see to the third question, and the third question is about how many jointed legs does an insect have. First thing, insect comes under arthropods, but along with insect there are some other organisms also there which belongs to arthropod. Do you know that? Okay, let's see this one. First one, already insect is given. Second, we know that they are crustaceans. Okay, there are crustaceans, right? They actually present it. Give an example. Okay, prawns are the crustaceans there. Then already insect is there. Arachnids, spider. Okay, insect. We have butterfly and or ant. The last one is a myriapod. Okay, now myriapods are having many legs. Butterfly is having 3 pair of legs. Spider has 4 pair of legs. Crustaceans, to find out, let me know in the comment box. Now again, 1 minute time is not sufficient, right? So please remember, try to remember this concept. Arthropod has these 4 members under that. Try to remember that features, try to remember the morphology, legs, compound eyes, okay, and that will be helpful. And under each category, do remember 2 or 3 examples also. That will be helpful while you are solving questions from chapter 1. Again, this is chapter 1 question, so 3 questions from chapter 1. And the answer, we know that it is a 3 pair, that goes for B. Okay, that's done. Insects is for 3. Myriapods many. Arachnids are having 4 pairs. Crustacean, do let me know in the comment box. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, so let's see the next question here. Now, this is about a aquatic plant. They have mentioned that it is an aquatic plant. It's a plant cell, and what is important for a plant cell? Plant cell is having cell wall. This is very important part. And the next one is chloroplast. Right? Any plant cell is having a cell wall and chloroplast. That means it's a plant cell. Animal cell do not have. They lack cell wall and chloroplast. Now, sir, just quickly see this. What is the P1? P1 is a nucleus. Nucleus is present both in plants and animal cell. Q is a cell wall. Okay, because it's an outer structure. There you can see the R, the inner membrane. So it's a very good plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, nucleus is both present in plant cell as well as in animal cell. S is a chloroplast. It's a dark one, green color there. These are the chloroplast. Okay. Now, so we have chloroplast, and the second one is cell wall. The most important one is the DQ, right? Oh, D, Q, and S. That's the D option. Q and S is the correct answer for this, right? So moving to the next one, fifth bit. The diagram shows a magnified image of a cell, and the cell magnification is 360x. Line LM represents width of a cell, width of the image of the cell, and the LM is 18 mm long in this distance. What is the actual width? Now do remember this formula. Any questions on this? You can be solving this with this aim strategy. Have your aim in your life while you're solving your question paper. Do have aim focus, right? So aim is an actual image. Okay, actual image. Bothering about the spelling. Actual image. Then we have image that is given by the examiner here. M is the magnification. Now, whenever I need to find out A, the formula will be I by M. How do I know this formula? You just need to draw a line. This line shows the division. So when I want to find out A, I by M. But if I want to find out image width, circling this one, it's very simple. Then only if I hide the I, A and M is visible, but there is no line here. So remember, A and M is the multiplication. So whenever I want to find out image, I have to just do multiplication of actual image into magnification. But if I want to find out magnification, again there's a line in between I and A. So it's very simple. I divided by A, right? All right then. So let's make, and so this is the formula for actual they want. So this is the first thing that we are going to use. I by M. What's I here? I is 18. What is M? Magnification 360. If I simplify it, it becomes 1 by 20. What will be the answer for this? Remember, mm is already there. If it is in cm, you need to convert into mm. So already it is in mm, no need of conversion. The most answer is take out your calculator, do a simple calculation, you will get 0.05. Chapter 2, cell topic, question number 5. So we have solved 5 questions, out of which 3 questions came from chapter 1 and 2 questions were there from chapter 2, right? Such kind of weightage blueprint will be also available for the October-November series 2023. Based on 2023 3 variants, that is in Feb series, June series and November series, I have made a blueprint for the upcoming examination, a guest paper or a guest question paper for the Feb series 2024. So if you want that sheet, if you want the blueprint, please put me a comment in the comment box that you need the blueprint, and I'll help you out that what are the chapters that you need to focus. If you're a backbencher, if you're a front bencher, doesn't have any problem over that, right? If you're in a pressure, just bring it into the comment box. I'll give you the blueprint that which are the chapters that you need to focus for your exam. 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. These questions we'll solve in the next video. Till then, good luck for your exam and have a great time.